Meet lumishield, a safer way to drive. What is lumishield and what can it do for you? Lumishield is a collision prevention device that can be quickly and easily installed on the rear window of your vehicle. Lumi has a panel of lighted bars that illuminate every time you step on the brakes. The more pressure you put on the pedal, the more bars that will light up. In case of emergency braking, all bars illuminate and rapidly blink. The driver behind you doesn't have to judge your stopping speed. Lumi will instantly grab the driver's attention and protect you with light. Even when driving a stick shift and downshifting without using the brakes, the lumishield works perfectly. This device has unlimited potential and can even be used on bicycles. The full panel of light can let drivers around you know when you are slowing down or coming to a full stop to help decrease the amount of accidents. With your help, lumishield can protect any vehicle and save lives around the world. Meet the team. Nick, an industrial designer that created all of the designs. Panos, the electric engineer that created all of the circuits and connections of Lumi. Tassos, the programmer that created all of the code. Help us make our prototype reality to produce a product that can protect and save the lives of your friends, loved ones, and even your own life. Check out our website. Thank you.